Can we delete TikTok followers all at once? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can delete TikTok followers all at once. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you might want to do is open up your TikTok. Now, I don't have a lot of followers, but yeah, if you guys have a lot of followers and you want to remove your followers, there is no actual way that you can do so. The only way you can remove a follower is by going to the followers list, tap on the three dots right besides the name of that very person, and tap on remove this follower. As you can see, by doing so, your follower is now removed. Now, there is no way you can mass remove your followers because TikTok does not yet have that feature available. So yeah, you can talk to help desk of TikTok, and then you can ask them to delete the TikTok followers, but that won't really be a good method because I don't think help desk helps you with that kind of problem. There are a lot of videos that say that is the only solution, but yeah, I hope this answers your question that you cannot actually delete followers all at once. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.